Hi guys, today we have a very special episode. Spring is here. That means that it's time to clean up and get organized. Hi, welcome back to SeveUp channel. I'm Ivan, and today I want to show you how to organize your measures using measures tables on Power BI. Now this is a super simple video. It's gonna take you mere minutes. So let's get right into it. Now I'm gonna head over to my computer for this. So just follow my steps. This is super easy. Now, as you can see, I've already opened up my SeveUp. I have SeveUp dashboard in Power BI. Now, if you'd like to know how to go about creating a dashboard, then head over to our channel where we have tutorials specifically for that and a lot more. So just head over there. I'll put a link in the description as well. Now, let's click on Enter Data on the top menu bar up here. A pop-up for creating your table will appear. So first we enter a name for your column, writing data. We only need one column for organizing our measures today, but you can add more columns or rows by clicking on the plus signs to the sides here. Now we enter a name for our table. I'm just going to name this measure table, but you can choose whatever name you like, and then you click on load. Once the table is created, it will appear in the data pane on the right-hand side. To add a new measure to the table, we right-click on it and choose new measure. A pop-up will appear at the top of the dashboard for you to enter in the calculation that you need to get your final calculation for. This can be an addition, a subtraction, or anything else you need to calculate your measure. For this, I'm going to enter global asset number and then = distinct count. And in brackets, we have WT assets asset ID. Once it's loaded, then you can add a card to show the measure on your dashboard. Go to the visualization pane on the right-hand side and click on Advanced Card. Then move and resize it on your dashboard. Now you can drag and drop your new measure into the data field under visualization, and as you can see, the measure amount is now showing in your card. You can delete the column you created before by clicking on it and choosing remove to clean it up. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. This was just a very quick but also very helpful and also important tutorial. It's paramount to remain organized when we work with BIM data, and there's no easier way to do it. Now, if you're interested in any other content or any other tutorials how to work with SeveUp and Power BI, you can find a list of helpful videos up here. If you have any content or any topics that you would like us to handle, then write down your suggestions into the comment section. Other than that, press the like. I hope that you are subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!